Today we are gathered here to celebrate momentous occasion of India, 100th Independence Day of India. On this auspicious day, we honor a great Indian freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for India and for the country. And for this special coincidence, some of these legendary freedom fighters are visiting their own motherland and joining us with a great grand celebration.
Azadi was my birthright, and we have achieved it. Isn't it a great moment, Bhagat? 100 years to freedom?
Yes, Azadji. Today, our motherland is celebrating its 100th Independence Day.
Yes, Bhagatji. Azadji, do you think that we should rethink our nation and the motherland?
You are right, Raju. Definitely, our country has revisited the success, growth, and prosperity. We must have a place of it. And let's go, Bhagat.
Yes, let's go.
Welcome back to Azadi. The atmosphere is electric here. This is a historic moment for India and we are proud to have been led by General Nandita Chaudhary, the world's first female CDS to lead a nation to victory in an international war. General Chaudhary's leadership has been hailed as a game changer. It's not just a victory for India, but also a testament of the power of the women.
The women of our nation are nothing less than Ma Durga, and our brothers are fighting with each other, and that's big.
We have read the story of the one and only Rani Lakshmibai, but here we can see the spirit of her in every fighting warrior.
Azadji and Bhagatji, a miracle is going to happen.
What happened?
We are going to step on Mars.
Oh, great. Just let's join the event.
Honorable dignitaries, for the first time in history, a human is about to step on the surface of Mars. Well, for the exciting moment, I pass the countdown to this routine.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the history has been created by India. Congratulations to everyone and congratulations to India.
Congratulations once again for the successful launching formation. Cooperation. Let's talk to the work commander of spaceship at Mars.
Commander, how are you feeling it, Mars? Chief, this is the feeling that can't be expressed by the words. How do you see India from the space? It's just like सारी जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
Incredible. Bhagatji, can you believe it? Our nation's tricolor is waving on Mars.
Yes, how far we have come from fighting for independence to conquering the cosmos.
Our struggle was not just only for the political freedom, but for to explore and to discover and push beyond the boundaries.
Yes, now our nation is inspiring the world with its achievement, and now we are finally becoming the great leader, the great guru.
That's what Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is. It is all about the whole world is celebrating our humanity and values.
What are you saying that all are learning from us only? Really?
Yes, all are learning from us. Let us take a look.
Now, I would like to call upon the stage the host of the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam India.
Honorable delegates, esteemed guests, and fellow citizens of the world, I stand here today a proud representative of India, a nation that has embraced the essence of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Our efforts have yielded remarkable success in poverty alleviation, progress, healthcare, education, and environmental stewardship. As a leading guru, India is offering knowledge sharing, cultural challenge, cultural events, sustainable development, and collaborative leadership. So, Jai Hind, thank you, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
This is a great satisfaction and pleasure to see our nation's prosperity.
Now we should get back to our place.
Bye bye India, the motherland.
As we are on our journey here, we've seen that a new era ahead. An era where people will work together. An era where people will work together, celebrate differences with their reaches, with their full potential. This is not just like a dream. This is not just like a dream. This is a real possibility. This is a real possibility. So, let's work towards the world where everyone will succeed. Jai Hind, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.